I just came to look for you. What are you doing up there? Eh? Oh, you're lovely and warm. Above the radiator, in the sun. She's looking for Mr. Tom, but Mr. Tom has been and gone. He's been and gone, yes, before you got up. Mrs. Furball. Look at her. Look at you pulling the curtains. You can do that. It doesn't matter because we're getting blinds in the spring. Windows cleaned, blinds up. Harriet. Harrietta. Harrietta. What are you doing? You're a big girl. Are we going to play? Shall we go downstairs and play hide and seek? You're coming down with me? Are you coming down with Mummy? Or are you joining, because it's south facing, you see, that's why she likes it up there. Ooh! Ooh! I'll tell you what she does like. Show you what she does like. That big dog. Here. If she's not sleeping right up close to me. Well, what she does, she normally goes to sleep next to him first, and on a blanket, and then comes and snuggles up to me, and him. The big dog and the little dog, and they've both got heartbeats. See where the heart is on the big dog. So you just press it and it's like a bump, bump. See if I can do it so you can hear it. It's like a bump, bump, bump. No, no. Where is he? Where's his bits? There you go. You might be able to hear it. Hang on. Can you hear it? Anyway, take my word for it, his heart's beating. So she'll lie next to him, and then when she decides she wants to come further up the bed, she'll lie next to him. Both have got heartbeats, and then she's got my heartbeat as well. And she's comfortable all night long. Look at her. That was a bad focus then. Look at all the little dust motes, Harriet. That's from your fur. You're going to let Mummy groom you? Hmm? Should we go downstairs and get you sorted out? Squirrel tail. Shall we? Harriet! Harriet! Where's Mr. Tom? Oh, Mr. Tom. So he came out of his house. Don't know whether he'd slept there. And what I did, I took the heat reflecting rugs out. They were both cleaning yesterday. One was a brand new one. Well, all his rugs are brand new, but anyway, I took them out because they were a bit cold. They weren't wet or anything, but I took them out, brought them in to warm on the radiators, put some more fresh straw in, plumped it all up for him, put his soup out, cat soup, made sure he got his dry food and water, and gave him a fuss and left him to it. Then I came in, then I went out with birdseed out the back and out the front, with 2 lots of birdseed out the back, 2 lots of birdseed out the front, because the ground is really hard. It's frosty. It's -1, I think, when I went out this morning. And Harriet was still up here on the bed didn't move. So then I came up, said, "You coming for breakfast?" So I put her breakfast out, and then eventually got to do myself a cup of tea and a piece of toast. So these kids do mean, Harrietta! It's Rita! No, she's decided to be rude. I don't know why I put up with you. I guess it's because I love you. Okay, speak to you later, everyone. Happy New Year. I know it's the 2nd of January. It's also my daughter's birthday today. So, special day. Speak to you later.